Is ZENA.online truly a trusted destination for elegant ethnic wear, or is it just another beautifully packaged online store that doesn't quite deliver on its promises? In this video, we take a closer look at ZENA.online, the official website of ZENA Sowers and Curtis, a Kerala-based fashion brand known for offering a wide range of Sower suits, Curtis, Anarchalis, and bridal collections. The site presents itself as a one-stop shop for both stitched and unstitched outfits, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern design featuring rich embroidery, mirrorwork, and designer tailoring. At first glance, everything looks promising with professionally shot images, detailed product pages, and frequent seasonal collections. However, digging deeper reveals a more complex picture. While some buyers appreciated the aesthetics and fabric quality, many others reported inconsistent sizing, color mismatches, delayed deliveries, and items arriving different from what was shown online. Their customer service and return process also seemed to be a common point of frustration, with several complaints about unresponsive support and limited follow-up. On social media, ZENA.online maintains a polished presence with regular posts, but actual customer engagement is minimal and genuine user feedback is hard to find. The website includes basic e-commerce features like wishlist, contact form, and order tracking, but it doesn't stand out in terms of trust-building elements such as verified reviews, secure payment badges, or transparent policies. Overall, the store sits in a gray area. It's not an outright scam, but it doesn't inspire full confidence either. If you're drawn in by their stylish ethnic wear and decide to place an order, it's best to proceed with caution, double-check product details, and manage your expectations regarding service and delivery.